So I am here with Conrad Lord, who's a defense attorney, and I wanted to ask him a few questions about the Turcotte trial. So what was your reaction to the verdict?
I was surprised.
Really?
I was surprised. Yeah. Well, basically, it's not uncommon, but it's always difficult for a jury to acquit someone that admits killing his children. It's a very emotional trial, and it's difficult for someone that is not a lawyer or a judge to understand the notion of acquittal for temporary insanity. So I was surprised, but legally speaking, I don't think it's on a reasonable verdict. But as a jurist, it was surprising.
How do you think the jury came to this conclusion?
After 6 days of hard deliberations, they basically were confronted with emotion, I'm sure, but rationality took over because there's a lot of, they had to set aside, I would say, some comments of Turcotte that stated that he remembered some event, some of his gesture during the event, and they had to put this aside and state, notwithstanding that situation, he could not reasonably commit the crime and have the intention to commit the crime. And it goes further than just intention. It's not knowing the right from wrong. So that was very hard, and that's why after 3 days, if I'm correct, they decided to hear again the testimony of Mr. Turcotte and his expertise. In my mind, they were working to try to understand that part of the verdict. A lot of experts stated that it was probably not a good sign for that type of verdict, but I disagreed on that aspect. I think the jury was wondering why this rational person would have committed such a horrible crime.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.